Hello everyone, good morning. So right now I am in the flight. I have boarded the flight. I am going to Hyderabad for a very special rehearsal and now I'm working for Zee Cine Awards. So I'll keep you posted from what I'm heading off to Hyderabad. So this is going to be like a mini travel vlog with me, but no sleep. You can see my eyes are all swollen. But yeah, good to go with a smile. I'll keep you posted. Hyderabad, here I come. How the day unfolds. So I'll keep you posted. But yeah, just landed. Hello everyone. So well, as you can see, I'm in the Hyderabad airport. So basically I have a halt right now. So मुझे अभी यहाँ रुकना है थोड़े टाइम के लिए. Then I will straight head off to rehearsals. So like maybe an half an hour gap. And then थोड़ा हम खाएंगे like a lunch. And then straight to rehearsal and yeah, we'll see. Abhi just I'll sleep or maybe I'll like, I don't know what I will do, but yeah, like thoda time ka gap hai. But as you can see, this is the Hyderabad airport, guys. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Super excited for rehearsals today. See ya. Hello everyone. So मैं अभी गाड़ी में बैठ चुकी हूँ. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं खाना खाने और थोड़ा भोजन करते हैं. I mean it's lunch time and then we'll go to rehearsal and see how it goes. Hello everyone. मैं ना कार में सो गई थी और एयरपोर्ट से यहाँ तक कुछ 35 minutes लगा. I had slept in the car because I was very sleepy, so I had slept and now I have come to eat. थोड़ा लंच करेंगे and then straight off to rehearsal. I'll show you the hotel, guys. The restaurant that I'm going to eat in. Yeah, khana. Guys, so right now I'm going to start the rehearsal. Guess what with who? The Rashmika Mandanna ma'am. Yeah. Wow, I'm super excited for this and I mean my heart is filled with a lot of gratitude and a lot of I'm happy guys. I'm really happy and yeah, let's rock it. Woo-hoo. Hello guys, what's up? So finally I'm done with today's rehearsal. So I was in Hyderabad today for I don't know, maybe 6-7 hours. It was like a get up. मतलब सुबह मैंने flight पकड़ा, rehearsal हुआ. Now I'm getting back to Mumbai. But guess what? I was with Rashmika Mandanna ma'am and it was an awesome rehearsal. I had so much fun teaching her. She's such an absolute gem of a girl and such a cutie. She is this. She's all hearts and a very committed artist and I love and I'm thankful that I got an opportunity to work with her. Thank you God. Just stay tuned for a performance at the Zee Cine Awards 2025. ये है हैदराबाद द टेक सिटी। थोड़ा हैदराबाद आए हैं तो दिखा देती हूँ आपको। इट्स गोर्जियस। Hey guys, so I'm back to the airport. As you can see, I'm sitting at Tim Hortons now. I'm sleepy. I'm very sleepy. Not slept. It's just flights, car, rehearsal, car, flight. So, but it's something, you know, this is also something, ये भी ऐसा कुछ है जो आपको बहुत ऐसा push करता है, and it's on the go. So I have had no stops, I had no rest time. It's just hopping. So yeah, so now I'll have some coffee and catch my flight, as you can see. So tomorrow we have stage rehearsals for Zee Cine. I'll sleep as of now. Yeah, time to go to sleep. Hello everyone, so finally taking off and heading back to Bombay, and straight away morning rehearsals, so no sleep, but yeah, let's go. Thank you Hyderabad, see you soon. और ये है फ़्लाइट। जैसे ही उड़ा मैंने थोड़ा रिकॉर्ड कर लिया ताकि मैं देख सकूं कि हैदराबाद ऊपर से कैसे दिखता है। एंड या हियर यू गो। रात के टाइम फ़्लाइट का मज़ा ही कुछ और होता है, बिकॉज यू कैन सी द सिटी, द लाइट्स, एंड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल। ये है हमारा मुंबई ऊपर से तो बहुत प्यारा एंड खूबसूरत दिखता है यार। इट्स सो गॉर्जियस, आई लव इट, लव इट। ये मुंबई, आमची मुंबई।